Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Stream King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. What's going on, y'all? Listen, I'm so excited, man, to talk to you all today. All right, so you can tell by the title, where I'm going to show you all how to become a funded trader in 4 days. That's right, I said 4 days. I'm super excited, right? The first video I did about Sway Funded, right? I was excited just because, you know, our personal broker now has his own prop firm, all right? But they have just been stepping their game up, adding to it, adding to it, adding to it, and adding to it, right? Bringing on multiple partners within the prop firm industry just to make Sway Funded the best prop firm in the game, in the industry. And I guarantee you all, um, by this time next year, we'll be the most talked about prop firm, all right, in the industry. All right, we're already making headway. A lot of people are coming over to Sway Funded for several reasons, and I'm going to share with you all, for me, the most exciting reason right now, and that is the Rapid, all right, challenge. Okay, so your typical Sway Funded, not Sway Funded, but your typical prop firm challenge consists of 2 phases, right? You got your 2-step evaluation, phase 1, phase 2, all right, then you're funded. All right, well, Sway Funded now has a rapid version, and to me, this is where I believe everyone's going to be trying to jump on, all right, because of this one phase, all right, and we're going to get right into it. And I'm excited because I'm taking my first prop firm challenge with Sway Funded. I've already started. We'll get into that in just a second as well. But let's just get into the challenge, okay? So as you can see right now, you have an option to choose between rapid, regular, or no consistency, right? Or we also have a no consistency rule. That's something else that we've added, okay? But let's go and get to the rapid, okay? So first of all, look at the price. $15, all right, for the rapid version, all right? And as you can tell, rapid is going to be more than what the regular is because you're able to get funded fast. So if I was to click on regular and on the $1,000 challenge, as you see, it's $10, right? So $5 more to get on the rapid version. But we always have promo codes, all right? When you get on, we don't have a promo code available. You can always click on this little right icon right here, talk to an agent, and just ask them, hey, are there any promo codes available? All right, and they'll be happy to send it to you. Okay, but look, your profit target, right, is going to be 15% or 30%, all right, for unlimited days, right? And then when you're funded, it's indefinite, right? You have a minimum, here it is, a minimum of 4 trading days, all right? So you can't just go try to, hit your profit target in one day, all right? And that leads me to this. I want to speak on the consistency rule because a lot of people have questions in regards to Sway Funded and the consistency rule, all right? So I want to break that down for you all today just so you have a clear understanding of what it is, all right? So let me back out for 1 second, all right? If you want to know all the rules when it comes to Sway Funded, it's all going to be on the website, right? I want to speak on how the consistency rule works. All these other ones you can check yourself, but you can copy trade, you can hedge trade, right? We do allow trading on economic and news events, right? You are able to hold your positions over the weekend. Like, I've already read these things, all right, but there are a few little stipulations to them. But like I said, you can check those out yourself. I think this is the most talked about is the how the consistency rule work. I've seen a lot of people on my last video were asking questions about how the consistency rule works. So I'm going to break it down for you real quick, and we're gonna get off of here, y'all. And I'm gonna show you all the challenges that I'm taking and where I'm at within it right now. All right, super excited. So the consistency rule, in a nutshell, y'all, without breaking it down, just it's to protect them, okay? But they don't want any lucky traders, right? Every trader gets lucky, all right? So you just happen to, you know, make 40, 50% on your account, your first trade, might not likely to do that again on your next trade, all right? And so they want to see a pattern of consistency, okay? A pattern of consistency to make sure you're not gaming the system, okay? Because like I said, traders do get lucky, but this is going to help you with discipline, okay? So traders must be able to prove their consistency while trading with us, providing a sufficient trading history that shows their risk management skills. Instead of trying to shoot for the moon, traders must show control of emotions and stable results, not fall into the category of a lucky trader or gambler. Like I say, y'all, this is going to help you all out with discipline. This is going to make you a better trader by taking this evaluation and also by following the consistency rule. For that, each evaluation stage there is a consistency rule in place. No single trading day should represent 30% or more of the total profit of the account. Phase 2, It's confirmation. No single trading day should represent 40% or more of the total profit of the account. In phase 3, funded account, no single trading day should represent 40% or more of the total profit of the account. All right, so I'm going to give you a dope breakdown. All right, we're going to come and doing a little back and forth, okay? Once you have your back office, all right, Sway Funding has a client portal. It lets you keep an eye on your profits and targets to make sure that you're in line with the consistency rule. If a trading day exceeds the amount established by that rule, don't worry, your challenge isn't failed, but your target levels just adjust accordingly. And that's what a lot of people had the questions about, like, hey, why is my target steady going higher? All right, it's because you're not within the guidelines of the consistency rule. So you want to make sure that you're staying below it. All right, and I'm going to break that down. All right, so look, this is number one. This is your success threshold. The threshold for achieving your account objectives and dynamically adjusted based on the results of your trading days in accordance with the consistency rule. Let's just break this down real quick. All right, your success threshold. This is where we're going. I'm going to show you my back office. All right, as you can see, LW, which stands for Laderick Williams. All right, multiple string King. All right, I got a credit left for $9.93, and that's because I took the so let me show y'all real quick. Let's do a little back and forth, man. Have a little fun, man. Talk to y'all in a minute. So I took the $2,500 one, right? This is my first ever prop firm challenge. So I want to start low, okay? So I took the $2,500 prop firm challenge on the Rapid, and it was $38, okay? But I was able to use a discount and get it for $30. I funded it, my back office, with $30, but there's a small fee, so it took like 7 cents. So I had to add another $10, all right, so I can make sure I pay the 30. So that's just a small gem for you all when you are funding whatever challenge you take. Make sure you put a little bit more on there, because there is like a little small fee when you do the Bitcoin to purchase whatever challenge. All right, but anyway, I did the 2,500, you guys. This is my success threshold for phase 1. All right, I need to make 2,000. I need to make, basically $375. All right, I started with 2,500, which was my beginning balance. Now I'm at 2,593. All right, and everything's looking good. My success threshold. Let's go back and forth. All right, so number 2, which is right here, the profit that remains to be made from current equity in order to meet the objective of the current phase. All right, so my current phase, my objective was $375. Since I've already made $93.80, now all I'm needing to make is $281.20. All right, let's go back and forth. Number 3, the threshold you should aim to stay below to avoid increasing the required profit for reaching the objective. All right, that's number 3, consistency limit. Let's look at my consistency limit. All right, so now my consistency limit is at 116.72. So I can make either that or below it. The goal is to stay below it. All right, you don't want to go above it, because what's going to happen is my success threshold is going to rise. All right, I only need to make $375 to pass this phase. All right, so as long as I stay below, all right, or right at that 116, I'm good. Okay, I'm good. Last but not least, all right, number 4, the success threshold and the profit consistency. Within the objectives section, you can easily track your progress against both the success threshold and the consistency rule requirements. All right, so if you scroll on down, all right, it just breaks everything down for you to show you where you at. Profit consistency 30% right now, 100%. All right, for as the overall, it's unmet because I'm not done yet, right? My milestone, I'm only 1 day in the challenge, right? Days in the challenge, 1. All right, my best trading day, 93.80, right? No current drawdown. I have no worst trading day, right? Doing pretty good. All right, profit consistency, like I said, is 30%. My success threshold is 28.75. Drawdown threshold 23.43. All right, daily drawdown threshold 24.64. So I don't want to get no lower than that. All right, and I won't. You know what I'm saying? Just, it's all about being disciplined and, just taking good trades, man. But this thing is dope, man. It just shows you everything you want to see far as your trades, right? I took 2 trades in order to get my 93.80. The first one was going against me, so I got out that bad boy, and I waited and got a better setup. All right, and to show you, this is mine. All right, I can go to my Sway platform, and you can see right here, paid in FX Sway Choice. That's me. All right, and my 25.93. Okay, This is my Nas setup, man. I was gonna take today, but I missed. I mean, I drew it up perfectly, um, but talking to my wife, man, and missed this drop. And I'm the type once if I miss my setup, I'm not going to have FOMO and just get in anyway. So just watch it play out, um, because I want to pass this challenge. And once I pass this challenge, like I said, I'm going to upgrade, and I'm going to go for one of the big dollars. I'm either go for the 100,000 or the 150. I'm gonna do the 200 after I get after I take care of this one. So I pretty much think I'm gonna go for the $100,000 account next. But I just wanted to get my feet wet just to see how this bad boy works, y'all. So don't want to talk your ear off, y'all. There's gonna be a link below. What I love about Sway the most, right? There's no third party, right? This is all Sway. This is their platform. This is their prop firm. And like with most prop firms, you have to go through a third party to use a trading platform. No, you're gonna go right. You're gonna be able to go right through Sway Markets. If you don't have a Sway account, click on the link below. All right. And if you're looking to get a Sway funded account, all right, and join our prop firm, click on the link below. So go on and do both. All right, you're going to be so glad you did. It's a free sign up to, of course, to sign up with the broker, and then like I said, you'll be able to choose your funded account of choice. All right, where you see fit, and like I said, you can go rapid, you can go regular. Let me just show you the regular real quick. The regular, you all know how this works. All right, a minimum of 4 trading days. And then for phase 2, a minimum 4 trading days. Of course, when you get funded, same thing, right? But to me, the rapid is the way to go. You can get funded in 4 days, you guys. Pass this challenge, all right? 4 days, all right? 4 days is that you have a minimum of 4 days. That means that you cannot try to go hit your Come on, y'all. If I really wanted to, all right, I could have made $375 in one day, all right? But that's not what they want to see. They don't want to see no look. They want to see consistency. This is why the consistency rule is in place. And I'm telling you, I like it because it's going to make you a better trader. If you're someone who's trying to trade long term, why wouldn't you? All right? Why wouldn't you? This is not something that you're going to be able to do overnight and make money. But in closing, once you are funded, all right, they have daily payouts. Daily payouts, all right? So take your time, all right? I'm going to try to get this thing done in 4 trading days, all right? I don't want to exceed 4 trading days to make $375. I shouldn't, but I will keep you all posted. Like I said, I'm super excited, man, but you never know. In the markets, anything can happen, all right? Love y'all, man. See y'all on the next video. The links are below, all right? Go on, sign up with the broker. Go ahead and sign up and get you a funded account, and let's make this money, man. I'll see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.